Welcome back, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of English with a focus on some absolutely stunning words that not only sound beautiful but can add a touch of elegance to your everyday conversations. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to expand your vocabulary, these words are sure to make you fall in love with the English language even more. Let's get started. 1. Serendipity. Let's begin with serendipity. This delightful word describes those unexpected moments of joy and pleasant surprises in life. Imagine stumbling upon something wonderful just when you least expect it. Examples: finding a long-lost friend in a foreign city by pure chance. Discovering the perfect book that answers a question you've been pondering. Meeting someone who shares your passion for a rare hobby at a party. Receiving a job offer for your dream position out of the blue. Finding a hidden gem of a restaurant while exploring a new neighborhood. 2. Effervescent. Effervescent is a word that sparkles just like its meaning. It describes someone or something that's lively, bubbly, and full of energy, much like a fizzy drink. Use it to compliment someone's vibrant personality. Examples: the effervescent laughter of children playing in the park. A comedian who brings an effervescent energy to the stage, making everyone laugh. A sparkling conversation that leaves you feeling uplifted and inspired. An effervescent personality that lights up a room as soon as they enter, the effervescent bubbles dancing in a glass of champagne during a celebration. 3. Ethereal. Ethereal transports us to a realm of delicate beauty. It describes something that's extremely delicate, light, and almost heavenly. Think of a breathtaking sunset or a hauntingly beautiful piece of music. Examples: the ethereal voice of a soprano singing an aria that sends shivers down your spine. The ethereal quality of a painting that captures a dreamlike scene with soft, muted colors. 4. Luminous. Luminous shines brightly in both its literal and metaphorical meanings. It describes something that emits light or glows with an inner radiance. Use it to describe a person's smile or the stars on a clear night. Examples: her luminous smile lit up the entire room with warmth and joy. The luminous glow of a full moon casting silvery light over the landscape. The luminous eyes of a cat that seem to glow in the dark. A luminous idea that sparks creativity and innovation in a team brainstorming session. The luminous stars twinkling in the night sky on a crisp winter evening. 5. Petrichor. Petrichor is that magical scent of rain on dry earth, a fragrance that's both refreshing and nostalgic. It evokes memories of rainy days and the earthy perfume that follows a downpour. Examples: stepping outside after a summer rain and inhaling the petrichor rising from the ground. The petrichor filling the air as the first raindrops touch the parched soil of a garden. The petrichor lingering in the air after a thunderstorm has passed through. A walk in the woods after rainfall, surrounded by the earthy petrichor and fresh greenery. The petrichor bringing back childhood memories of playing in puddles on rainy days. 6. Sonorous. Sonorous rolls off the tongue with its deep, resonant sound. It describes something rich and full in sound, like a bell ringing or a voice that commands attention. It's perfect for describing captivating music or a profound speech. Examples: the sonorous toll of the church bells echoing through the quiet village. A sonorous voice reciting poetry that captures the audience's attention. The sonorous hum of bees pollinating flowers in a sunlit garden. The sonorous notes of a cello filling the concert hall with melancholy beauty. The sonorous roar of waves crashing against the cliffs during a stormy sea. 7. Epiphany. Epiphany is that moment of sudden realization or insight. It's like a light bulb going off in your mind when you finally understand something profound or solve a long-standing problem. Share your epiphanies with friends, it's liberating. Examples: having an epiphany about the true meaning of a difficult poem you've been studying. The epiphany that comes when you finally grasp a complex math problem after hours of struggle. An epiphany about your career path that changes your life's direction for the better. The epiphany of realizing the importance of family after a period of separation. an epiphany about the nature of happiness that leads to a more fulfilling life. 8. Eloquence. Eloquence is the art of speaking or writing with fluency and grace. It's about expressing yourself in a way that's persuasive and beautiful. Aim to achieve eloquence in your own conversations and writing. It's a valuable skill. Examples: the eloquence of a great orator who moves hearts and minds with their words. The eloquence of a well-written novel that transports readers to another world. The eloquence of a heartfelt apology that repairs a strained relationship. The eloquence of a persuasive speech that convinces others to support a worthy cause. The eloquence of a beautifully crafted poem that captures the essence of love and longing. 9. Mellifluous. Mellifluous describes a sound that's sweet and smooth, flowing like honey. It could be a melodic voice, a soothing piece of music, or even the gentle rustling of leaves in the wind. Let this word sweeten your descriptions. Examples: the mellifluous voice of a soprano singing an aria that brings tears to your eyes. The mellifluous melody of a violin concerto that lingers in your mind long after it ends. The mellifluous laughter of children playing in a sunlit meadow. The mellifluous sound of a babbling brook winding its way through a forest. The mellifluous tones of a grandfather's storytelling by the fireside on a winter's night. 10. Tranquil. Tranquil paints a picture of calmness and peace. It describes a serene environment free from disturbance, a quiet lake at dawn, a peaceful garden, or a moment of solitude. Seek out tranquil spaces to recharge your spirit. Examples: a tranquil morning by the lake, with mist rising from the water as the sun begins to rise. The tranquil beauty of a Japanese garden, with carefully raked sand and serene ponds. Finding a tranquil spot in the woods where you can sit and listen to the gentle rustling of leaves. The tranquil atmosphere of a yoga studio during a relaxing session of meditation. A tranquil evening at home, curled up with a good book and a cup of herbal tea. 11. Aurora. Aurora conjures up images of the northern lights dancing across the sky, a mesmerizing display of colors. Use this word to describe anything that's breathtakingly beautiful and awe-inspiring, like a vivid sunset or a stunning artwork. Examples: watching the aurora borealis paint the night sky with hues of green, purple, and blue. The aurora of colors in an artist's palette as they create a vibrant and expressive painting. The aurora of joy and laughter that fills a room during a festive celebration. The aurora of emotions that sweep through you while watching a powerful and moving film. The aurora of hope that shines bright even in the darkest of times, inspiring resilience and strength. 12. Halcyon. Halcyon refers to a period of peace and tranquility. It evokes memories of happy and carefree times, much like a perfect summer day or a nostalgic childhood memory. Cherish those halcyon moments, they're precious. Examples: the halcyon atmosphere of a family gathering filled with laughter, good food, and shared stories. The halcyon feeling of contentment and peace that comes from spending quality time with loved ones. 13. Enchanting. Enchanting captures the magic and charm of something that captivates and delights. It describes experiences, places, or people that are irresistibly charming and almost magical in their appeal. Let yourself be enchanted by life's wonders. Examples: an enchanting fairy tale that transports you to a world of knights, dragons, and brave princesses. The enchanting beauty of a secluded beach with crystal clear waters and golden sands. The enchanting aroma of freshly baked bread wafting through a charming village bakery. 5. The enchanting smile of a child discovering the wonder of a rainbow after a summer shower. 14. Incandescent. Incandescent describes a brilliant and radiant light, like the glow of a candle flame or the shimmering stars in the night sky. Use it to describe anything that shines with an intense brightness or brilliance. Examples: the incandescent glow of a bonfire warming a group of friends on a chilly evening. The incandescent joy of a child's laughter echoing through a playground. The incandescent passion of an artist pouring their heart into a masterpiece, creating something truly extraordinary. 15. Resplendent. Resplendent is the pinnacle of beauty and grandeur. It describes something that's dazzling and splendid, like a majestic sunset over the ocean or an opulent palace. Let this word elevate your descriptions of extraordinary beauty. Examples: the resplendent colors of a sunset painting the sky with shades of orange, pink, and gold. A resplendent wedding gown adorned with intricate lace and shimmering pearls. And there you have it, 15 stunningly beautiful English words that can enrich your vocabulary and make your conversations more colorful. Try using these words in your daily life to add a touch of elegance and beauty to your language skills. Which of these words is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more language tips and inspiration. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of language. Bye for now.